These are my latest TLV purchase for the month of October. And we have the Subaru 360 as well as the repeat casting of the RX7. Unlike the regular version, this 60th commemorative Subaru 360 comes in a cumbersome box, which I do not really like. The package shows the opening rear. For the square box format, it does not come with a regular box, which I'm slightly disappointed, with an engraved Subaru 360 metal plate included as well, which makes it quite unique. A bio card is included as well. And now let's take a closer look at the Subaru 360. It's a very small and intricate casting with black trimmings. I love the color hue, and I like the Subaru 360 60th anniversary logo on the roof as well. It comes with an opening rear with lots of detail. At a true scale of 1:64, you can see the size comparison between the Subaru 360 and the Prince Gloria. The same details go for the regular version with the opening rear as well. At first, I'm hesitant to purchase the Subaru 360, but I'm glad I got it. It's a nice little beautiful casting. Next is the third variation of the Mazda RX7. If you haven't seen my review for the RX7, the link is down below. I really like the illustration on the package. It's very nice, just like the Mazda 787B. It comes along with a regular box, which is perfect. The painted rear light is something that I'm not happy with. The specs are completely the same as the first two versions, but I really like the fiery red body color on the Mazda RX7. It makes it look very striking and very outstanding. The paint job is very nice. It rolls beautifully as well. And it comes along with a side mirror, which I installed it in my previous video. The link is down below, and you can see there are no indication of where you should place the side mirror, except with your own judgment. Apart from the rear lights and side mirror, I'm quite happy with this casting. Looking forward for the other variation that is releasing soon as well. Thanks everyone, bye!